This is a demo of the Silent Data Tokenization Platform Blueprint. This blueprint shows how you can create a tokenization app which feels familiar to users, all while adding privacy with silent data. Let's take a look at how it works in practice. Connecting the administrator. I'll start by connecting the administrator's wallet. This wallet has the right to issue tokens. When I confirm the wallet connection and sign, I'm authenticating the session and proving my identity. Creating a token. Once the wallet is connected, we're directed to the token management dashboard. Here, I can see existing tokens, such as Planet P3X, or create a new one. Let's go ahead and create a token. Let's call it Oxalis, XLS. And there are, say, 1,420,000 of them. Now, as the admin, I'm asked to confirm the issuance with my wallet. And now the new token appears in my dashboard. I can see its name, the ID of the wallet that created it, the total supply, and how many are available. Minting and burning tokens. Now let's look at minting and burning. If I open the token controls, I can choose to mint or to burn. I'll mint some additional tokens, confirm, and we see the total supply increase on the dashboard. I can also burn tokens the same way. Confirm that, and the supply decreases. This gives administrators flexible control over token supply at any time. Swap Factory. Next, let's move to the Swap Factory. Here we can create trading pairs and liquidity pools. I'll select 2 tokens, I can see real-time figures of how many of each are available, and then I'll set the initial amounts for the liquidity pool. Let's say 20,000 and 100,000 of our new token. And again, I'm prompted to confirm. That creates a new active swap pair, which I can see here. I can also add liquidity later. I can do that here and enter the new amounts. I'm going to confirm that, and now the details instantly update on my dashboard. This enables compliant token markets to be set up quickly. Access control and whitelisting. Now let's switch to the user side. A new user, Alice, connects her wallet. She can see the list of tokens, but since she isn't whitelisted, details such as the issuer wallet address are hidden. She requests access, again verifying her identity with her wallet. And now her status shows as pending. Back in the admin view, I can go to Access Control and see Alice's request. I approve. And now Alice's wallet is whitelisted. The admin can manage this list of whitelisted wallets anytime. Now that Alice is whitelisted, she can see token details, her balances, and purchase options. Let's say she wants to buy some Planets tokens. She specifies 22, approves the transaction, and now her balance of Planets tokens is updated to 22. She's also now able to transfer these tokens. Transfers and privacy in action. One key feature of Silent Data is programmable privacy within smart contracts. In this blueprint, balances are only visible to the individual wallet owner or to the token issuer who can see all balances. We can see this in the Block Explorer. Here's the Planet token contract. Like any ERC20, it has a balance of method, which normally returns a wallet's balance. I'll enter Alice's address and call balance of to try and query her balance. Notice that the request fails because access requires proof of identity and I did not provide a signature. What's happening here is that the balance of method enforces that only the owner of the balance or the issuer can access it. I'll tick this box to provide a signature and try again. I'm prompted to sign with Alice's wallet to prove ownership. Once signed, Alice's balance is revealed. If I now enter another address and make the same request, I'm prompted to sign again. But this time the request fails, even though I signed, because Alice is not authorized to view this wallet's balance. This is the core feature we get from deploying on silent data. Smart contracts can enforce rules around data access. On a chain that does not have privacy enabled, for example, Ethereum mainnet, it's very different. We can see every transfer of a token. And if I click on a token holder's wallet, I can view all balances and transaction history. All of this information is public. With silent data, those same balances and transfers can be restricted, so only the right parties can see them. Swapping tokens as a user. Finally, let's look at swapping tokens as users. Bob selects the pair we defined earlier in the admin account, enters an amount, and the exchange rate is shown. He confirms the swap, and after approval, his balances update. In summary, the Tokenization Platform Blueprint provides a ready-to-use foundation for issuing, managing, and trading digital assets. It combines flexible token controls with privacy, compliance, and scalability, and can act as a launchpad for a team looking to launch a privacy-enabled tokenization platform. You can explore more silent data blueprint applications in the Blueprint library on our website, or talk to our expert team for more information.